that says closed. And this sign says sail, yarn.
Big Bird, the store's closed, you know.
Oh, yes, Susan, I'm just looking at the signs because I'm using signs to practice learning words.
Oh, that's a good idea. How are you doing it?
Oh, fine. I'm going up and down Sesame Street and reading all the signs. One up on the corner on the lamppost says Sesame Street. Right on the
street sign, that's right.
Mm-hmm. Just beyond that, there's another little sign. It says stop.
Right on the corner, the stop sign. Good.
This one says sail, yarn.
Right. Hey, you're doing all right.
But there's a word that I saw today.
Uh-huh.
I can hardly say it, and I sure don't know what it means.
Well, why don't you tell me? Maybe I can help you.
Well, it's quite a word. You ready to hear it?
Sure.
Okay, listen to this. Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is.
I beg your pardon, Big Bird.
That's the word. Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is.
Abka, what? Where did you see that word?
Right over there in the yard.
Oh, in the yard?
Sure.
Where? Oh, there?
Whoa, that is some kind of word. Whoa. Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is. I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see. But somewhere in the middle, it gets awfully queer to me. Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen. Maybe Gordon would know, or maybe Bob. I could ask them. Then again, it might be kind of an elephant, or a funny kind of kazoo, or a strange exotic turtle that you never see in a zoo. It might be a kind of doggy, or a particular shade of blue, or maybe a pretty flower. Nah, not with a name like that. Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is. I sure wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see. But somewhere in the middle, it gets awfully queer to me. Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'd be the smartest bird this world has ever seen.
Oh, Big Bird, that's a terrific song. But I really hate to tell you this, but that's not a word.
It's not.
No, Big Bird, this is the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
You mean that's the alphabet?
That's right.
Oh, it's not a word.
No.
It's not Abkadetki Jekyllmanopkorstuvix is.
No, but you know what it is? It's a list of all the letters that make words. For instance, if we take these letters here, C, A, and take an R from over here, we make up our own word, C-A-R, car.
Oh.
Or let's put the R back up here where it belongs and take the T down, and we have another word, C-A-T. So it's very useful.
Hey, that's easy.